Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to create a language translator using Python. So first of all we need to import a package from pip. So we need to import Google Translator from pip. So I'll put this link in the description and I'll copy this, go to PyCharm and paste this in my terminal to import the package. Okay, so next we need to import Google Translator from Google Translator. Import translator. Next we need a translator object. Translator will be equal to translator. Next I'm going to create the output for my translated language. Output equal to translator dot detect. So first let's see how to detect a language from this package, and inside apostrophes I'll go to Google Translate and in Hungarian this is hello. Copy this and paste this. So let's print the output. Okay, so you can see the language is detected and this is Hungarian. HU stands for Hungarian. So I need to show you that in the Google Translator, in the API documentation at the end, there's a code for each language. So HU stands for Hungarian and EN in here stands for English. So we need to type EN, not English, in the project. So next let's translate this into English. So translator.translate and after apostrophes I'll put a comma and destination will be EN, which means English. So let's print the output. Okay, so you can see the text is high, and in order to get the text I'll print output.text. Run this and you can see it is translated to high. So we have created a language translator using Python, so you can translate this from any language to another language. So this is the end of the project and thank you for watching. So please make sure like and subscribe.